Something huge is about to take place for Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. We can see that Bitcoin has now flipped the Algosniper bands on the 4-hour time frame. We are trading above the Algosniper bands on the 4-hour time frame, and we have not since done so since Bitcoin was over $71,000. So after this massive correction of 20%, wow, I just realized that it's been a 20% correction. We can see that Bitcoin is now breaking above the bands. The bands are flipping green, and this is bullish. This is a very bullish sign for at least the next few weeks. Whenever Bitcoin breaks above EMAs after a strong downtrend, it starts to break above these EMAs. It's very likely a reversal is about to take place at any moment. We are starting to see Bitcoin pump a lot of green today on a Sunday, which is quite unusual, but it's because whales are anticipating a lot of bullish things to take place with the Ethereum ETF, Solana ETF. Whales are going to start buying. We can also, if we zoom out here, we can see that Bitcoin is now beginning to break out of this downtrend, but we do have resistance here at $62,500. If Bitcoin can break above this resistance, we start holding above this resistance, I'm going to be max long for Bitcoin. And I think that's going to be a very safe long position. But any break back under, we're probably going to get some type of retracement. I do think the bottom is in, that 58,200 is the bottom for Bitcoin for the next few weeks, few months, potentially even maybe forever. I don't know, but at least in the immediate short term, it does look like the bottom is in for Bitcoin, which also is going to translate that the bottom is in for altcoins. If we take a look at the total 3 market cap, we can see that it does appear that altcoins have found very strong key macro support here, and that we are probably going to start to see a lot of green for altcoins over these next few weeks in the immediate short term and midterm as well. I do think that Bitcoin in the next couple of months is likely to test the $74,000 all-time high. Whatever Bitcoin does from there, I am not sure, but we are in a halving year, which is typically every single halving year, Bitcoin will make new highs. Bitcoin is in a bull run. So I'm actually confident that Bitcoin is going to break above, and we are going to see a move probably to $92,000. That's what I'm going to be thinking. That's what I'm thinking measuring is going to be likely the next leg up, which from that area, we might consolidate, chop around, correct a bit, test the previous all-time highs before making new all-time highs. I think that Bitcoin is probably going to end up topping out around $120,000. Hopefully it goes way higher, which means altcoins, Ethereum is going to go way higher. But that's kind of like my conservative estimate of where I think Bitcoin is going to be going from now in the long term. That probably take place between the end of next year. By the time of the end of next year, I think that Bitcoin could potentially top out around those type of levels. So the short term, we are starting to see bullish signs at the moment. It doesn't mean everything is completely confirmed and that this downtrend is completely over with. We do need confirmation. We do need to trade above, hold above, close above these levels to get this reversal confirmation. But in the immediate short term, it is looking very, very bullish.